I watched you walk off into the unknown foreign territory of fear, a pioneer who set out to discover the new dream. As time passed, I waited, hoping that one day you would return with the good news. Oh, you didn't know that we wait? Some of us stand still and look for your dream light in the distant horizon, wishing for a glimmer of hope and possibility. I once saw a bunch of clouds parting in the sky, and I thought I saw your face. Not this time. A brief moment of sadness, and rightfully so. But what I really want to tell you about is the hero I know. I had a dream that you were being attacked by highly skilled levels of trickery hidden behind graceful smiles. Words and promises spoken to campaign for trust, but cut with the precision of samurai's katana. But when the darkness of doubt tried to surround you and not let you see, you remember that your light of courage must shine bright to inspire me. Let me tell you about a hero I know. The takers thought they took it all, so sure you were down for the count. Steadfast you held on, even in times you wanted to give up. I felt your heartbeat pulsating, emotional messages of determination not to quit. I watched you persevere, and when you smiled, I knew the gift of spirit had returned. Let me tell you about a hero I know.